Hi all. I'm so excited. A gift from my boyfriend. Alright. The easiest way. Tayo na sa simula. Oh my god, parang merong freebie. Sa brochure. Oh my god! Silip ko na sila. Tcharan! Salamat sa inyong suporta. Mahal. Tcharan! So, pinili ko lahat is mystery box. Wala akong alam dyan. The Mirror of Animals na series. Ito yung The Worm series. I don't know what this is. Maybe Google Translate mo nga. Ayun, so this is the Ink Plum series. Ano nakabubuksan?
Why?
White?
Hindi mo yung gray.
Mind in the Wind. Or The Day Off. I want that. So satisfying. What did I get? What is this? Ano to? Gagi, nakuha ko yung secret. Yung parang hidden item na sobrang hirap makuha. Oh my god.